Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 4, The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a sandy area with not much vegetation. To the southwest of the northern plains lies the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as Thar Desert. Indian desert occupies a major part of western Rajasthan. On the eastern side of this desert lies one of the oldest mountain systems in the world, the Aravalli Ranges. The desert region was formed mainly because of low rainfall and heavy soil erosion in the region over many years. The Indian desert is a sandy plain. Only plants such as date palms, thorny shrubs, cactus, kikar and babul, which do not need much water and grow here. As there is not much vegetation to protect the soil from erosion, dust storms are common. Strong winds blow across the desert, sweeping up the sand into hills called sand dunes. Rajasthan has a hill station named Mount Abu, which is a very beautiful place. Water is scarce in deserts, but there are places in desert with underground water springs. Such places are called oases. It is the singular form is oasis. Date palms grow in these areas and travelers rest here with their camels while journeying through the desert. People usually settle in small villages around an oasis. Here they grow crops of jowar and bajra. Animals like camels. Camels are commonly used in deserts for transportation, as they can walk easily on the sand and travel long distances without drinking water. Camels also provide milk, help in plowing fields and drawing water from the wells. Thus, the camel is called the sheep of the desert. The desert region is also home to several animals such as blackbucks, jingaras, wild dogs, and the great Indian bustards. Climate. The desert has an extreme type of climate. The days in summer are long and hot, dry. Hot winds blow during the day, making it difficult for people to leave their homes. Dust storms blow across the region at great speed. As the sun sets, it becomes cooler and the nights can get quite cold. This is because the sands of the desert not only heat up fast but also cool down quickly. Winter days are pleasant but nights are very cold. To solve the problem of scarcity of water, the government has undertaken the Indira Ghandi Canal project. Water from the Satluj River and its tributaries is diverted through this canal to the desert region. This canal provides water to the people and the fields of Rajasthan. Part of the sandy desert has begun to look green with different kind of crops and trees now growing there. Life is difficult on the desert side, that is to the west of the Aravalli. But the eastern side of the Aravalli gets some rainfall. Jowar, bajra, wheat, gram, oilseeds, pulses and mustard seeds are grown here. Rearing of sheep and goats is also an important occupation. As Rajasthan is rich in minerals, several people work in mines. The people of Rajasthan wear bright and colorful clothes. The women wear lehenga or gagra, a blouse and chuni or odhini. The men wear dhoti, kurta and long turbans. New words and its meaning. Desert, a large area of land with few plants and little water and where the weather is dry throughout. Dust storm, a strong wind which carries dust, soil and sand over a large area. Oasis, a place in a desert where there is water and where plants and trees grow. In text questions, briefly explain about the great Indian desert. Indian desert occupies a major part of western Rajasthan. On the eastern side of the desert lies one of the oldest mountain systems in the world, that is Aravalli Ranges. Then third point, the Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. Second question, how are deserts formed? The desert region was formed mainly because of low rainfall and heavy soil erosion in the region over many years. Write about the importance of oasis. First point, travelers rest here with their camels while journeying through the desert. Second point, people usually settle in small villages around an oasis. Third point, here they grow crops of jowar and bajra. Next question, why is the camel called sheep of the desert? First point, camels are commonly used in deserts for transportation as they can walk easily on the sand and travel long distances without drinking water. Second point, camels also provide milk, and third point, it also helps in ploughing fields and drawing water from the well. Thus, the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Next question, describe the climate of Delhi. The days in summer are long and hot. Dry hot winds blow during the day, making it difficult for people to leave their homes. Third point, dust storms blow across the region at great speed. Fourth point, the nights can get quite cold and winter days are pleasant but nights are very cold. Next question, name 4 animals found in the desert region. Black bucks, zingaras, wild dogs and the great Indian bustards. Next activity from this lesson, make a model of an oasis. Second activity, why is it important to preserve and protect our country's culture and heritage? You can find out your own answers. And read the lesson very well, and you should find out the answers for in-text questions in the textbook itself. Read the lesson very well, that is very important. Thank you. God bless you. All the best to all of you.